In this video, I'll demonstrate some features of Findit that you can use to broaden or narrow your results when searching for books. To get started, we'll click on Advanced Search, and we're going to search the subject, Pediatric, and for material type, we'll select Books and click on Search. And you'll see that this yields 2,308 results. If instead of subject we search title, you'll see that we get a different number, 1,328. To broaden our search, if we select any field, we can search both title and subject. And that yields 5,328 results. We can also use Boolean operators to combine our search for pediatric and pediatrics. If we select OR and type pediatrics, that yields 7,148 results. I wanted to show you that if we change the spelling to a British spelling and put an A here, pediatrics, the result is the same, 7,148 results. We can also tweak our results using a tool over here on the left. If we want to see only items that are available online, we can check this box and click Apply Filters. And that yields 1,956 results. To further narrow our results, we can narrow our results by subject or author, or down here at the bottom, creation date or language. I wanted to show you that if we click on subject here and select surgery, we'll get all of the books having to do with pediatric surgery. Or another option is if we want to narrow our results by date, we can click on creation date and we can change the date by using the arrows here. If we want only items found in 2019, or another option is to change the language. In 2019 we only have English, but if we remove this filter we can select Swedish and apply filters.